Well, there's been a few changes made and things have been cleared. It's interesting when you empty a box how much is in there that still needs to find a place to live. So, that on the right is going to be a drawer unit that will go in the closet. The previous one didn't work out very well. And then there is a new coffee table, and I will go into more details about that later. Right now, some of the things that were on that coffee table, they still need to be put away, which part of it is going to be in this coffee table. And then I just moved boxes from the desk area that were sitting on the floor. I need to go through them and to get things put away where they belong. So I was able to move them out of the way in order to be able to um, get to the shelf. And in these cabinets back here that I kept from the other house, there are organizers to the left, and that is for office supplies and files that I don't need to have out on my desk or will be. Well, let me just say this again. These are things that I will need immediately. Other files that I have in containers. They're file cabinets of sort that can go under the bed. So they're there. So now it's time for me to finally get through these boxes and either get rid of the things or get them put away. And there's been a couple of changes here in the kitchen. I just emptied a box, and so I've still got a couple of things. I've got a little bit more organization, but it is getting more clear. My goal is this weekend, hopefully, now that I have some other projects that were done, which I do want to share, to get this office area really done. That's going to make it so much easier to get in and out and do things there, but then also get the rest of this kitchen done. As far as these countertops, there's things that still need to go up in the cabinets. I'm going to discuss that on another time, but there's some good progress being made. The really nice projects that are exciting to talk about, I'm going to share until I get this kitchen done. Because there have been some changes. As you can see, this is one of them. And took and punched out the board that was there. And now I have my rice and coffee containers up there with a couple of cups. The nice thing is behind the coffee and rice, there's enough space for my carafe, my coffee press bags, which will help keep the grounds inside there. Can't get things down the sink. There's some things I want to share that are things that need to know when you're in an RV. I think it wouldn't make a difference, some of the stuff, if you're moving or not. And some of it is for what I am doing now with stationary living. So I just thought I'd just touch base real quick on this. Hopefully by the end of the day, I will be able to get into some other things. I'm a little bit late. There were some things that happened this week. And it has to do with me having SPMS. And those things I'll be talking about some other time. But I hope you like this. I hope you like the improvements. But there's so much more that's going to happen. Some of this just has to just be this way in the process. And when you have secondary progressive multiple sclerosis, you can't always do everything that you want to as quickly. It takes a little bit longer, and that's something that I am working on and being able to adjust my life so that I understand I can't move as fast, I can't do as much as I used to, but I am going to do the things that I can, and I'm going to share that with you. I hope you have a good day.